Check your kid's body temperature quick and easy with the dual-mode thermometer for ear and forehead. Measure via the forehead in 3 seconds. Press and hold the button. Swipe across the forehead. Release the button and read the temperature. Measure via the ear in 1 second. Pull the ear up and back. Aim the probe at the eardrum. Click the button and read the temperature. Keep in mind, make sure to clean the lens with rubbing alcohol before and after every use. This will avoid inaccurate results caused by a dirty lens. Before using the thermometer, make sure it has been in the same room as you for at least 30 minutes. This will make sure the thermometer is acclimatized to room temperature. Sometimes even the most accurate thermometer gives a temperature that seems unlikely or even absurd. Double-check the result with a rectal thermometer if necessary. When to call a doctor? If your baby is younger than 3 months old and runs a fever of 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, between 3 and 6 months old and has a temperature of 102 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, between 6 and 24 months old and their fever of 102 degrees Fahrenheit or higher lasts longer than 1 day. Keep in mind that the ear mode of the thermometer is only suitable for children of 6 months and older. The forehead mode is suitable for all ages. The thermometer's built-in fever alarm system turns red and beeps consecutively when detecting a fever. The DMT-489 is rated as the best thermometer by numerous renowned websites. Be prepared when fever hits.